Hey, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to do a quick plug for Shelbert RV here. We're in Cleveland, Tennessee, having some work done on our motorhome. And here's what we're having done. The basement air has been removed, and what they've done is they've cleaned it and they've did a bearing upgrade to the blower motor for the outside air. It's a sealed bearing, so it doesn't have to be oiled. They're in the process of getting ready to bench test it. And right now they're in the process of hooking it up to bench test it. Once they make sure that everything's okay, they'll reinstall it. Now, if you watch Steve's videos, you'll have seen this bounder on there. They doing some work on the awning. They've been having issues with trying to get it to operate. I think they finally figured out what the problem is, and I think it'll probably be out of here in a little while. Well, this isn't going to be a long video. Like I said, if you need some work done on your RV, give these guys a call. The techs that I've been dealing with are great. They'll answer your questions. They seem to work together very, very well, and the ladies in the office, very personable. They'll put a smile on your face. So again, thanks for stopping by the channel. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.